How to download Instagram videos on mobile iPhone and Android. First, open your Instagram app and then select the video that you want to download. You can search a lot of videos on Instagram and simply select one. Once you do, click these three dots and then copy link to get the link of the video. After that, exit Instagram and now go to Safari and search for Snap Insta. Then select the first result that will appear. Now here, simply paste the URL of the Instagram video that we copied earlier. Now click paste. And once you're done, we can now click download. There will be some ads, so just simply close that. And now we can click download video. Close some ads again. Click download. And that should start downloading the Instagram video. You can view it in your downloads. Now let's test if we can open it and play it. And as you can see, it is now playing. We successfully downloaded an Instagram video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.